And she's on.
Oh my God.
First thing in the morning. I think they double hookup. Striped bass are still just destroying these baby salmon. Right here at the boat, near the boat. I mean, like literally at the boat. I'm gonna stick this on the rod holder right here. Got him. Okay, coming right now. Oh, 1 second here, guys. Let me get this set up real quick. Let me get this real quick here. I'm coming. I'll get right with you. I'm gonna get this thing set up and rolling. One day, I've got you. I'm coming. Okay, got you. Barry, if you get decent ones, you can throw them in. I mean, like I said, all of a sudden it's just going to end. So when we think we'll keep them later, or you know what I mean?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Well, no, I mean, okay, go ahead. Throw them back. I'll tell you though, like as soon as the boats come, we gotta stop because all of a sudden it stops and then we don't have our fish, and then when it stops, it stops. All right, here we go. Get them, guys. Should be every cast for a while though. Literally every cast for a while. Oh. Yeah,
Oh, did I go over? Sorry. Sorry about that.
No, you're good. Don't worry about it. Little top water action. Nailed you. Oh, fish on the rod holder. Oh.
Whoa.
He is pissed. Got one on the rod holder there. Let's get out here for a little top water action. I just stuck one out there. Yep. And steady reel. Good. You almost let it drift too. You play with turning the handle a little faster and a little slower, and you'll see. Let's see what it is. There you go. Get him.
Hit it. Pull the tail on it.
You got it. Pull that tail on it. Try bass. You can almost just leave it down below you too, like you just leave it down in the current. That's why I had this one in the rod holder. Oh, there he is. Come off? Broke? What is up with that rod? Let me see that real quick. Oh, is that mono? That is mono. Here, let me see that. Let's be better now. I'm going to flip that mono. That ain't go break. It broke right in the splice, I think. Where's all my stuff here? Here's one right here. And then I got to go get the swim bait bag out somewhere. That's exactly what we need, actually. You need a little heavier head on there anyway. This is exactly what you need. Where's your wife? I don't see what size head she has. She actually needs one too, I think. A little heavier deal.
Keep reeling, baby. Just keep a steady reel.
Yeah. Surprised the one behind the boat hasn't got bit yet. I hear boats coming from every direction.
This is where it gets fun on throwing like bigger swim baits if they eat it.
Yeah. Oh, I got a bigger one right here. Do you want a bait caster?
Yeah, it's illegal.
Sweet.
I'm so much used to bait casters.
I don't have any brakes on these, so
That's fine. I didn't take all mine off.
All right, then you're good. Most people grab it and backlash the shit out of it.
It takes breaks out too, for sure.
Yeah. Oh, there he is. Oh my gosh, in the rod holder again. Oh, he come off. Oh, if something different, just set the hook. You probably turn a little bit faster. If you feel a tap, a tick, or anything, it usually is a.
And faster than maybe just if you feel any of the pressure or whatever.
Leave this one. There he is. Oh God, this one. Leave this one right here. Let's watch the swim bait for a minute. Oh, wrong way. It's like a crazy here. There we go. Let's see what this is like. Swim bait. Oh, got him. There you go. Oh, you got to turn it. Yeah. It's all right. You're okay. Oh, that's a big one. She got a good one.
Yeah, your bail is.
Yeah, they're mean. They're not like normal bass. They're mean.
They're not largemouth. Come on here.
Wow, they're really going dumb out there right now.
Oh, good.
Those sound like good ones.
Yeah.
Where are those at? That looks like a good one right there. That's gonna be a better one. That's gonna be a better one. I think. Oh God, missed it. Stop it, God. Get him there. Oh, that's a good one.
Oh, that's a good
Right
one.
here, huh? You watch it?
Oh, he's a good one. He's about the same size as the other one.
Yeah, I think we'll just throw in the box. You that might be too. Just in case we end up getting a. Good job.
Yeah.
Worth getting that for.
Yep.